welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing my one day question per day. 7,302. This is our total, right? 7,000 blank hundreds and 2 ones. So we are going to do how to solve this equation. Is this? We will do our 1,000, 100, 10 and 1. Okay, so 7 will be first, then 3, then followed by 0, then followed by 2. So we see 3 here, and then here it says 100 here. So this one will be, so here we will put 3 here. So 1 is 30, but we have a 0 here. Now 2, see? The 300 and our answer is here. So answer is 2. Sorry guys, the answer was wrong. We are trying to find the what number it is. So we will write 3.